You can watch all the porn you want, chase every girl, or smoke, drink, whatever, but you'll never be truly satisfied. Yes, you'll enjoy it while doing it because of dopamine, but afterwards you'll feel empty again. If you really want happiness and fulfillment, there's only one thing that can give it to you: purpose. Your goal, the one you struggle for, sometimes lose, sometimes win, get stuck, grow through. That journey gives you not just dopamine, but also serotonin, oxytocin, everything your brain needs for real happiness. Think about it. Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, they have more money than they could ever spend, yet they still keep working. Why? Because if they stopped working, they too would become depressed and empty like you. Money alone can't give lasting happiness. So the thing is that the only thing that can is working on your purpose. No matter you are rich or poor, boy or girl, purpose is what gives every human being true joy. Try it once. Just for 3 to 4 hours, work on your goals without distractions. I can guarantee you'll feel the difference. You won't feel lost. Your overthinking will fly. You'll feel a deep satisfaction from within, a beautiful, peaceful state of happiness. But purpose alone isn't enough. You need a plan to act on it while loving the process of it. And for that, watch this video to make that plan. It'll help you turn your purpose into real progress.